Hey everyone, this is Philip Gross with the Motor Masters. We're in Travelers Rest, South Carolina, and we just got through restoring a 1988 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, as you can see in the background. And I'm going to change the camera angle where I'm going to do a complete walkthrough and tell you what all we did. So here we go. As I mentioned, this is a 1988 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. The original color was Baltic Blue, and we changed it over to Spinnaker Blue, and this paint job just turned out immaculate. It is unbelievable. So I want to go through, do a little walkthrough, show you what we did. Show you this beautiful barn here in Travelers Rest where we took some amazing pictures. It's so beautiful down here in this country. Got the tailgate down. We put some new carpet in and put in a new headliner. And I'm gonna close this so you can see. This came from Norman, Oklahoma, and so this is where it's going to be shipped back to. This Wagoneer is just absolutely stunning. This color here is probably my favorite color. I like Baltic Blue and I like Hunter Green, but Spinnaker Blue just really stands out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this amazing custom interior that we did. It's diamond stitching. And we also did the door panels. Just really came out beautiful. This is by far the best interior I've ever done for a customer for a Grand Wagoneer. And I'm sure as you see this, you'll probably want this done as well in your Wagoneer. Let me just show you the little headliner. And we put new seat belts in here. And mechanically, we put fuel injection, service to transmission, transfer case, and front rear differentials. Fresh fluids all the way around. Place lines, all your usual mechanical stuff. It's got a Holley 2300 EFI Fuel Injection. And we did a lot of body work on this, both on the body and underneath. So I'm gonna start the car up and let you hear how nice this Wagoneer runs. This Wagoneer runs great. We also did some AC work, so it's blowing nice and cold. We had to put a few components on there that we had a hard time finding, but we got it all figured out. It's blowing ice cold. And put a new bed liner in it. This Wagoneer just really came out nice. Runs and drives great. I think our customer in Oklahoma is going to be very happy when she gets this back. And we're looking to ship it back hopefully next week. So if you're looking to restore your Jeep Grand Wagoneer, we have 4 locations: in Hendersonville, North Carolina, and right here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. We kind of say those are both one location, even though they're in different states, but it's only 20 minutes apart from one another. We also have one in Anderson, South Carolina, and we also have one in West Palm Beach, Florida. So if you're looking to restore your Jeep Grand Wagoneer, visit our website at www.themotormasters.com. We're also on Facebook. Our name on Facebook is Phil's Wagoneers. I got numerous pictures and videos of restorations. So you can also give us a call at 561-318-0968, or you can shoot me an email at info@themotormasters.com, or if you're on Facebook, you can reach us there. Just send us a PM message there. And I'm also on Instagram, Phil's_Wagoneers. So you all have a great day, and we look forward to hearing from you in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.